Hello, everyone, and welcome to the podcast series, The Voices of Innovation and Shaping the Future of Tech Education, where we are going to explore on the topics of education, technology, innovation, and the future of AI. And I'm your host, Dr. Preeti Mehta, and with me, I have the guest, Dr. Amar Shukla sir, who is an associate professor and the cluster head of AI/ML department at IILM University, Gurugram. And I welcome you, sir, on the very second episode of this series, which is Career Prospects and Curriculum Planning in AI. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Preeti, for welcoming me. And I think it's a great honor to be here and to deliver the talk regarding curriculum in AI. Yeah, so let's proceed with that.
So, starting with the very first question, so can you define AI in your own words?
AI, to define AI, I think it's a very layman term right now, and everyone speaks about AI very frequently. Right? When I say with the AI in the context of an engineering field and then the context of engineering student, here you learn different mechanism to organize data, right? And data has a different phases. If you talk about image, if you talk about text, if you talk about voices, if you talk about the n category which are available, and how can you organize through different set of algorithms which are available, and you need to reflect the behavior of a machine like a human, right? So that is what an agenda is behind an AI, and your work need to be very simple. And when you organize these things, your work-life balance through this machinery world will become very easy. So that's what we are predicting. That's what we are thinking, that this revolution of AI will help the mankind and help the people around the society in a well-being manner.
So, talking about the work, you are in teaching field. How do you incorporate AI in your teaching techniques or methods or during the classrooms?
I think it's absolutely, you need to change with the innovations. You cannot have a very standard approach of teaching and learning like the previously what we are doing. No doubt the teaching learning process remains same always, and the working hard culture has always been same. But what happens when we interact with students, when we interact with the different domains of students, we need to understand that the same pattern would not justify, the same pattern would not cultivate the students onto the right manner. So there what we need to do is we need to put up a new innovation technologies, like we need to provide some automated assessment system, automated AI based grading system. We need to provide some LMS techniques, like you can directly communicate, the student would directly communicate with the professors, right? Nowadays there are a crowd of people who are coming and who are learning, so it's not possible for the faculty members to directly interact to the students. So there are mechanisms which helps, like LMS. There are Blackboard kind of tools which are available, which is highly permissible in that area. So yeah, so suddenly we are adopting these technologies in our curriculum. We are adopting this LMS kind of approaches for teaching, and automated feedback and feedback systems are also required on that particular agenda for making students to be more brighter and more agenda-full regarding using this AI technique.
Very well said, sir. Coming to the students part, do you think AI is harmful or helpful for students?
See, when you talk about any kind of energy, when you talk about any kind of innovations which we there, it always try to lead up the helpful things, right? And I think AI always being helpful to as I said in my first answer, what I have told you, that it always develop the mankind. It's for the humanity. It's for the betterment of the society. And when you see the development of an AI, you can see in the healthcare sector, in the transport sector, in the societal development, the AI is making the crucial role. And this motivation always lead the students to build up their career on the field of AI. And as far as in the part of ILM curriculum also, like we have indulged the different domains of AI sectors. When any students you want to learn about healthcare, there are faculty members who are enabled enough to teach them from the healthcare sector regarding how to use AI on that particular sector. If they're keen on interested on the cloud, or if they're keen or interested on the DevOps things, there are technologies, there are sources which are available. So exactly when we talk about the resources availability, the AI will always provide you the better opportunity to extract the useful information from those resources, right? And because ultimately if you are not deciding that what is wrong and what is right, so the technology will always favor, the technology will always provide you the better scale in terms of providing the better opportunities.
So coming to my last question, what job opportunities do you think AI will create in future?
I think AI has a huge market. I know there is a myth around the people which is going on. Like people are saying that AI will come, jobs will go. I don't think so. It's like that. As you go for the stats which is available in this year also, right? There is an increase of a job, 20%, 25% increase of job in the AI market, and students are grasping a good salaries also. You can compare the salary structures also, like the students the previously what they were earning and now what they were earning. So there is a huge increase when the AI technology came, and the students were enriched with those skills. Yeah, but there are some point of observations also that there are jobs availability, but skillful is the most important aspect that we need to understand with the students. Until and unless student is not skillful with that particular skills, I think the market will always be open, but still that vacancy will be there. So I think ILM Gurgaon, which is being providing you the such resources, the resources which are available regarding to learn the AI technology, to learn the different mechanisms of AI, like machine vision, right? You have expert system kind of things where you want to build up the self-tutoring systems or health oriented system which is helpful for the tutoring. So yeah, these things will helpful for the students, and yeah, they can become good data scientists, they can become good data architect, they become good cloud engineer, right? So these are the things where students could go and pick up the market. I have not cultivated all the options to you, but there are
Definitely,
many options which are available, and I think prompt engineering is now the major chunk which has been coming up, and which the student is able to go through it. So yeah, a huge market is available. I think scopes are available. They need to align with the curriculum, and they need to align with the prospect what we are delivering, and the future belong to them.
So I thank you everyone, and Dr. Aman sir, for sharing the insightful knowledge about the curriculum and job opportunities in AI. Thank you everyone. Thank you.